Hi there, Pete Wolfkamp, resident builder, and I'm in my workshop. And I was thinking the other day, I first started using tri-board from JNL in 1998. We lined a garage with it. And I reckon about 10 years ago, I had an off-cut piece, a spare sheet. And so I've screwed this down onto my workbench, which I use most days. And in that time, I have been welding on it, I've been grinding on it, I've been drilling on it, I've been cutting on it, I've been painting on it, I use it as a notepad and all the rest of it. And I suspect that the good people at JNL never really thought about tri-board being used in this application. But what it has said to me is that it is remarkably robust. I've used it as a workbench top for all of that time. And to be fair, whenever it gets a little bit rough and gets too much paint on it, I just kind of sand it off again and then I'll keep using it. And I figure that maybe in another couple of years, I might flip it over and I'll get another 10 years out of it. So if you've ever wondered whether it's tough, well, I think it is.